So I'm in London this week, trying to see how much work I can get done just with AI tools and my laptop. And look what happened. I built a complete website from this tiny cafe in Notting Hill in under 2 minutes. No developer, no code, no cost. Crazy, right? Let me show you how. I'm Kimberly Quinn, your AI digital creator on the go. If you're new here, I make AI tutorials that are so easy you can follow them while traveling. Today, I'm testing one of the simplest AI website builders ever, Durable.ai. It turns any idea into a ready-to-publish site in seconds. No coding, no payment plans, just AI magic. Step 1 is simple. Go to Durable.ai. You'll see this clean homepage that says, Generate your website instantly with AI. Click that. Type what your website is about, maybe travel content creator in London or AI tutorials for beginners. Hit enter and watch the AI go to work. Look at that progress bar 10 seconds later. You already have headings, photos, and a contact form. Okay, this is wild. It actually picked a London skyline photo for me. Durable knew I was here. Honestly, the fact that I can do this while jet-lagged and waiting for my coffee is kind of insane. So the first step is to describe your idea. The AI does everything else, writes your text, chooses colors, and creates a layout based on that one line. For example, when I typed Digital Creator Exploring London, it gave me a homepage with sections like About Me, My Work, and Contact. No templates, no manual setup. Now let's edit it a bit. Click Edit Website. Everything is drag and drop. Want to change a headline? Click it and type. Want to swap photos? Select any image and replace with something from Unsplash. Durable has that built in. I like that it auto-adjusts fonts and colors to match your photo. You can even toggle dark mode in one click. Ready to go live? Click Publish. Durable gives you a free link, something like Kimberly Quinn Durable site. You can share it instantly on Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn. That's it. Your site is live in 2 minutes while you're literally on the go. Now let's make it look extra professional with some free add-ons I love. Tool 1, Canva free. Open Canva search logo template, type your brand name, download PNG, upload to Durable. Tool 2, Coolers.co. This site creates color palettes automatically. I generated mine to match London sunset tones. Tool 3, Tally. So, need a contact form? Build one for free and paste the link under your contact button. One thing I love about London is how inspired you feel to create. Every corner feels like a template for a new AI project. Homepage about gallery contact, all done and ready to share. This looks like a 1,000 pounds design, except it was free and took 2 minutes. Is Durable really free? Yes, the basic plan lets you create and publish with no payment. Can I use this on my phone? Yup, works on mobile too. I tested it on the tube yesterday. Do I need coding skills? Not at all, that's the whole point. So that's how you build a professional website from a London cafe in 2 minutes with Durable AI. If you try it, comment below My AI website is live and I'll feature you in next week's video. Don't forget to subscribe because on Friday, I'm showing you how to create your own AI logo and brand kit for free.